So in this last example, we are doing the same thing we did before with finding the degrees of these arcs. The only thing that's a little bit more exciting here is that we're putting some algebra in this problem. So make sure that you note that AC, so we were saying, do you remember that AC over here is a diameter, so it cuts this circle in half both ways. You've got 180 degrees this way, and you've got 180 degrees this way. Same thing with EB because it's a diameter here. Okay, so before we can find the degrees of any of these angles, we're going to have to first solve for x. And so the strategy I think I would use would be, because EB is a diameter, we know that this part of the circle is 180 degrees. So I would come over here to my side work and I would solve this equation. So we have 4x plus the 15x plus 3 plus the 7x minus 5 all equals 180. Now, you may not have seen this situation before where they put parentheses around this whole thing. It's just because they wanted to put the degree on that whole thing. The parentheses, as far as computation purposes, you can ignore them. All right, so we're going to combine like terms here. So we have 26x, and then 3 and negative 5, that would be minus 2 equals 180. We're going to add 2 to both sides. So 26x equals 182. And then divide by 26 on both sides of the equation. And so, divide by 26, and we get x to be 7. So now we can plug that back in to these values over here. So we've got 4 times 7 gives us 28 degrees. 15 times 7 plus 3 is 108 degrees. And 7 times 7 minus 5 gives us 44 degrees. So let's go back over here now and answer our questions. So E to the R to the D, go in the order of the letters. Oh, that one's an angle. These are angles. So how many degrees is that angle? We already figured that out. It's 28 degrees. C to the R to the D, that's this angle here, would be 108. And A to the R to the B, is this one over here, which they did not tell us, but we can use a couple of different strategies. One is to use the linear pair to do 180 minus 44. Another is to use the vertical angle over here to add the 108 and 28. I'm sure there's another strategy, but those are the two that come to mind. As long as you get 136 for that angle, we're good, because again, there's multiple strategies to use with circles.